Hello everyone, welcome back on my channel Nutan Online Study. So today in this video we will cover lesson plan. Topic would be gender equality and this is for class 7th. Okay, time is 45 minutes. Social studies. Okay, and topic you can see here, gender equality. General aids, a classroom blackboard. So basically this is all the teaching aids. Okay, ventilation, proper sitting arrangement, etc. So you can write this blackboard, chalk, duster, flex chart. Okay, specific aid, chart related to the topic, models and pictures. So we are going to also take chart and model and pictures with ourselves. Now here general objectives. So whatever motives are to increase the knowledge of students, to increase the reasoning power of students, to develop the feeling of national integration, to develop the feeling among students about reading of social studies. Okay. Here specific objectives. Student teacher gives knowledge to the students about gender equality and in a democratic country. So teacher basically want to teach them about gender equality in democratic country. Behavioral objective you can see here. At the end of lesson, student will be able to tell the meaning of gender equality, tell family gender equality, explain gender equality with graph, explain the contribution of Indian ancient farmer, describe government effort for gender equality and interpret Article 15. Now, teaching maxims you can see, general to specific, known to unknown, real to abstract. A method of teaching that today we are going to use would be question answer technique, discussion method and explanation method. Now here you can see previous knowledge. So student teacher will assume that student have already experience about gender equality in their daily life. Previous knowledge testing. Student teacher will ask teacher will have to ask following question. What do you mean by democracy? And student will answer, what are fundamental right in democratic country? What do you mean by right of equality? What is meant by gender equality? So this is the question that we have to ask to student. After that we have to announce our topic. Okay, after that you can see here presentation. We have to teach them about gender inequality and here you can see all the things. This is teacher activity and this is student activity. Here is blackboard work. Okay, so you can write whatever main important point you think that we should teach to students. You have to write it here. And here is audio visual aid. Okay, family gender equality we have to teach. General equality through graph we are gonna teach to them. Here you can see all these things. Okay, and for teaching aid we are going to use here graph, we are going to use here, we are going to use model. Now here you can see government effort for gender equality. Okay, so we have to teach them and here you can see what is this, it is blackboard work. So we have to also write the main important or main things in blackboard. Article 15 you can see we have to teach them about Article 15. Okay, and here for teaching aid we have to show them flash card showing Article 15. Ancient social reformers, here you can see here, what is this, Raja Ram Mohan Roy. So this is all the things that we have to teach to students. Here you can see, okay, students activity and here it is what it is, blackboard work and this is pictures of some social reformers. So we have to also show some pictures that will come under audio visual aid or teaching aid. Okay, now this is our last part. You can see Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, we have to teach about them. Okay, you can see here what is it, it is blackboard work. Now final recapitulation, tell the meaning of gender inequality. Equality, what do you mean by family gender equality? Search new exception of family gender inequality, enlist the names of Indian social reformer, explain contribution of Indian ancient reformer, explain gender equality with graph, describe government effort for gender equality Interpret Article 15. Homework, you can see here, two homework. Student teacher will tell the student to write 5 lines about gender equality from home. Teacher will tell student to write government effort about gender equality and 2 examples related to it. So this was my lesson plan on the topic. What is the topic? Gender equality. And I have also uploaded one lesson plan on volcanoes. You can see this lesson plan on my channel. Okay, so we'll meet in next video. Okay, till then, bye and take care.